Bafethu. Yazi Tanya. Abona uTanya this year bafethu. He's been dropping. And uTanya, I can say he's good when it's come to love songs. Aye, he ghost out there. He ghost. uTanya, he ghost bafethu. Hayi ghost. Yazi like I was listening to ingoma azikhiphile nje this year. Ama-hit wodwa guys. Ngama-hit wodwa. Ayikho ingoma ebhorayo laphayana. Ayikho ingoma ebhorayo. From Asambe, Isitokfela, eziningi man, ziningi guys, ziningi, 1 million. Eyibo le nto le ziningi ingoma azidrophile bafithe ezimnandi. Umuzi weglasi. Ighost la uthi leya bafethu. uTanya, ighost. Hayi blind ghost bafethu. Music wakhe. And uyakwazi ukwenza music. I feel like he got it like for real. Namanje khona ngamagqibo ekhopha manje nje recently nje. You understand? Let Me Love You. You understand? Cover song. I won't say cover song because like usebenzisa beat le Let Me Love You ka Mario. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, Mario. You understand? Ayibulele afanga silungu lapho ushaya ngesintu nje. Ayibulele guys, uyibulele. And athi ne project mela azoyidropa nje soon nje manje ngo December nawe ne project busy ngayafuna ukuyidropa bafethu. Kusho ukuthi nje yazini kulonyaka uDanya kwadile bafethu. Make sure ukuthi bafethu namsupport bafethu as much as nimsupport because bona ama streams wakhe phambene are insane. Le phezulu 1 million amanye asihamba phaka ku 400 something thousand. Yeah, but so keep on streaming bafethu, keep on supporting the nigga guys. You understand? As much as I mentioned it would know as a Black Diamond abahlukenanga just ukuthi manje like bahamba solo because they need to deliver a different sound like ehlukile kule Black Diamond. Yayibona into le bafile like i Black Diamond i brand iyodwa and then bekhona uTanya and then bekhona uNdu. Hayi abantu abayenzile bafethu, it's a good move afuna bama because basinika umculo omningi manje like basphakela manje and I can't wait now uNdu na drop na from set like but so far uDanya uza kahle uDanya ayikabi uza kahle ngendlela isimanga and I wish the best for the nigga. I understand because like isiphansi sakhe sihle kakhulu and isiphansi sakhe siyancomeka ngendlela isimanga. Uyazibonakalisa ukuthi no uzimisele ngalento ayenzayo and want the best. You understand? Which like we must support since the show to support abafethu because lethu lisemzansi and they provide the good music. So into ebalekile thina mesenzeni supporteni bafethu babonisa uthando back. Uyibona into lesibagqugquzela